Mrs. Davis and this is my daughter. I'm a geography secondary school teacher and we love doing geography experiments and we'd love for you to join in at home. You will need some paper or cardboard, a pair of scissors, some vinegar, some baking powder or baking soda, a glass, some colouring pens, pencils or crayons, sellotape, and then optional, some red food colouring and a jug. Mount Kilauea. Mount Kilauea is located in Hawaii. It is a hotspot volcano. It has had almost continuous eruptive activity for the last 10 years. It had its largest eruption in 100 years just recently in 2018. This eruption occurred a few hours after a magnitude 5 earthquake, which gave volcanologists the warning to safely evacuate local people. The hotspot theory suggests that eventually Hawaii will pass over the hotspot and will no longer have an active volcano. The hotspot will likely form a new island. Mount Kilauea is one of the world's most active volcanoes, and yet it is one of the safest. There is a lava lake at the summit of Mount Kilauea, and it is believed to be the home of the Hawaiian volcano goddess Pele. Volcanoes have a central column known as a vent. It is up through the vent that magma is forced out to the surface, where it will erupt at the volcano's opening or crater. The liquid magma will then flow down the sides of the volcano. Over time, several eruptions and lots of lava flows will build up layers of solid rock, volcanic rock, that we've shown in our diagram here. This experiment not only shows the liquid lava erupting from a volcano, but also some of the gases that are produced from a volcano.
Bubble! Mommy, a bubble! A bubble! Bubble, 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 bubble! Bubble!
So it's over to you now to try making this model and experiment at home, and I look forward to seeing your creations. Thank you for watching today's experiment, and we'll be back next week with a new one. Bye!